Welcome back. A little over 24 hours to go for the first round of polling in Gujarat, and the UPA finds itself in a tight spot again. What's raising eyebrows is a statement made by Oil Minister Veerappa Moily that the cabinet is set to consider a proposal to raise LPG subsidy cap from 6 to 9 cylinders per household per year. Not only is the opposition questioning the timing of the government's move, the UPA is facing the ire of the Election Commission as well. Even before the dust could settle on the row triggered by UPA's announcement of its direct cash subsidy transfer scheme, the government finds itself in a tight spot again. This announcement by the Petroleum Minister setting the cat among the pigeons.
Even if you announce it now, it will not affect the state election because normally that state will be excluded. That's all. We need to take it to the cabinet. Ultimately, it has to be approved by the cabinet.
The Election Commission shooting off a letter to the Petroleum Secretary making its displeasure known on the announcement of the proposal at a time when the Model Code of Conduct is in force, and directing the government to immediately put the move on hold. The opposition too questioning the timing of the announcement.
इस तरह की घोषणा चुनावी कानून के खिलाफ है, आदर्श आचार संहिता के खिलाफ है और ठीक ही उसी तरह से किया गया है जिस तरह से कैश सब्सिडी की घोषणा की गई थी.
With less than 48 hours to go for the Gujarat polls and close on the heels of the Election Commission rap on the announcement of the direct cash transfer scheme, the declaration forcing the government on the back foot and kicking up yet another political storm. With Madhav in New Delhi, Munmun Bhattacharya for Times Now.